wishes to you. All the good wishes for you only. Okay. So dear students, come back and discuss about the studies. Which chapter is going on in EVS? Can anybody tell me? Yes, chapter number 4 is going on. And what is the name of the chapter? The name of the chapter is House. The name of the chapter is House. And how many parts you already have seen? You already have seen 3 parts, and this is part number 4. This is part number 4 which you are going to watch, you are going to see. Okay. So before it starts learning something new, I always take the recapitulation whatever we had a discussion. So once again a small recap of all those chapters, right? So about house, I told you that why we need a house. Yes, we need a house to live in, and house protect us from what? So house protect us from all types of weather, season, insect bite, है ना? And when all the family members are living together, then we can say yes, that is my house, that is my house, right? So a house protect us from what? A house protect us from cold, rain and insect bite also, and strong winds also. ठीक है? अब I told you that early man used what? So early man also needs to protect themselves. That is the reason they used the shelters. They used the shelters. Suppose heavy rainfall is there during that time, during ancient time. If heavy rainfall was there, then what they had done? What early man had done? So early man always go at the top of the mountain, on the peak of the mountain area, ठीक है, and protect their self, right? Up as like human beings, I told you that animals also need the shelter. As like human beings, I told you that animals also need the shelter, because every living thing need a shelter, animal and human beings both, except plants. Sometimes during summer season, if you have your small plants as in your garden, they needs to protect from the heat. So we all are using green mats to protect our small plants during summer season. अगर समर में हम अपने प्लांट्स को प्रोटेक्ट नहीं करेंगे, धूप से नहीं बचाएंगे, then definitely we lost all those good plants. ठीक है? So now a dog always lives in where? Kennel. A lion lives in den. A horse lives in stable. A cow always use shed. A bird always make nest. Birds nest बनाते हैं ना, घोंसला. And hen always lives in coop. Hen always lives in coop, right? And I told you in last class about the types of houses. So there are 2 types of houses, kacha house and pakka house. There are 2 types of houses, kacha house and pakka house. Kacha house is made up of mud, bamboo, straw and leaves. ठीक है? And pakka house is made up of bricks, cement, iron, steel, glass. ठीक है? Kacha house is a very much big difference between a kacha house and a pakka house. Kacha house is not very much strong. Kacha house can collapse easily in front of heavy rainfall. अगर तेज बारिश होगी, कच्चा हाउस गिर जाएगा. And pakka house can bear all those conditions rather than kacha house. ठीक है? अब kacha house is kind of hut. Kacha house is a kind but you can't see kacha house in cities, in towns. ठीक है? Towns में you can see only the pakka house, and there are so many types of house people are making, like bungalows, like apartments, multis, stories, and so on. Right? So when we will talk about the bungalow, so we can say that bungalow means a one-person house. The one owner of that house, that is called bungalow, and bungalow covered a big area. Bungalow covered the big area. And when we will talk about apartments, so we can say that there are so many multis, there are so many apartments in the multi. ठीक है? And there are so many families can live together in the same multi. And multi always have the flat systems. Multi always have the flat systems, right? So all these things we had a discussion all these things on. अब it's time to discuss about the types of roofs. वो भी कल मैंने बताया था. Types of roofs में there are two houses के बारे में, और एक हाउस बताया था ट्री हाउस. ट्री हाउस में we need a strong tree to make that tree house, and tree house always made by the wood. And these types of houses is always meant to attract the tourist. ठीक है? And then Eskimo kind of house is especially made in mountain areas, because in mountains there are much of snowfall. There is much of snowfall. ठीक है? Understand this much? Okay. Now we will have a discussion on types of roof. So there are two types of roof: flat roof and sloping roof. People, those who are living plain areas, they always make flat roof, and people, those who are living in mountain areas, they always use sloping roof. So flat roof, people, those who are living in mountain areas, they cannot use flat roof, क्योंकि once snowfall is there, all the snow will gather on the flat roof, so it is very difficult to remove the snow. है ना? That is the reason they are using slopy roofs. So whatever snowfall is there, it will go down, it will come down. ठीक है? Now today we have a discussion on temporary house. Today we have a discussion on temporary house. Right? So look at over here is in your book. Open your EVS book. Look at is in your EVS book. See, look at is in your EVS book. Yes, here some temporary houses pictures are given over here. Can you see? Can you see in the book? There are some pictures of the temporary houses are given in your EVS book. So let's start discussion about temporary house. Let's start discussion about temporary house. ठीक है? So number 1 पे है some pupils lives in temporary houses. Yes, it is very much correct written in the book that some pupils are living in the temporary house. And number 1 पे है houseboat. Number 1 पे the picture is given of houseboat. Alright. So houseboat किसको कहते हैं? Why houseboats are called the temporary house, that we will discuss. Okay. First see the picture of houseboat carefully and read whatever is written below the picture. This is a houseboat. It flats on water. Such houseboats are found in Dal Lake, Hope you have seen nicely. And then read the name of that temporary house. Houseboat. What is the name of that house? Houseboat. Up. When you will listen this word, when you will read this word, what clicks is in your mind? Houseboat means what? House यानी घर, boat यानी नाव. So the kind of house that has float on the water, it is called houseboat. A kind of a house which floats on a water, that is called houseboat. Up, these types of houseboats you cannot found around us because this is Nimad area and there is no lake, there is no jharna, there is no jheel, there is no pond यानी तालाब. ठीक है? So you cannot found these types of houseboat around you all. ठीक है? So where we can found all these types of houseboats? So we can found all these types of houseboats in Dal Lake, and that Dal Lake is located in Jammu and Kashmir. That Dal Lake is very famous in all over the country. That Dal Lake is in Kashmir, not Jammu. Jammu is a separate place. Kashmir is a separate place. So this Dal Lake is located in Kashmir, and you can found these types of temporary houses which is called houseboat, and houseboat floats on water. ठीक है? अब number 2, caravan. Number 2 is caravan. Caravan is also the kind of the temporary house. Caravan is also the kind of a temporary house. ठीक है? Caravans means a kind of a big van that van has each and every facility on that caravan. ठीक है? Caravan has a kitchen, caravan has a washroom, caravan has a drawing room as well as bedroom also. So this caravan is a kind of a small house. We can say that caravan is a movable house or moving house. Caravan is a moving house. ठीक है? चलता फिरता घर जिसको कहते हैं हिंदी में, we can say this, the caravan is a moving house. Understand? इतना समझ में आया? This caravan is runs on wheels. Banjaras and gypsies live in caravans. So, especially those who don't have house, they are shifting from one place to another place. That is their job, to go from one place to another place. So those types of pupils, they always use the caravan. Those types of pupils, they always use the caravan. And caravan is a kind of moving house which is movable. It has kitchen, it has washroom, it has drawing room as well as bedroom also. And Banjara kinds of person, they are using this caravans. Now we will discuss on tent. Number 3, we will discuss on tent. What is tent? Tent you have seen around you so many times. All the Banjara type of people, they are also living in the tent. Okay, this is tent. It is easy to fold and carry anywhere. Soldiers and scouts lives in the tent. Especially tents used by the soldiers, by the army persons, because they are making tents in their chimneys, in their posting, right? So tent is a kind of a temporary house. Tent is again a kind of a temporary house. The quality of this tent, it is that we can fold this tent nicely. We can carry this easily, and the soldiers and the army persons are living in this tent. Okay. Last but not least, igloo. अंदर से ठंडा नहीं होता है. It does not mean that igloo is made up of snow, so that house will cold, that house will cool. No, it is not like that. Igloo is made up of snow. On mountain areas, you can see these types of houses in hilly areas, in mountain areas. But the quality of this igloo is that it is very very warm inside. वो अंदर से इग्लू बहुत गर्म होता है. ठीक है, तो अब आपको समझ में आ गया व्हाट इज टेम्परेरी हाउसेस. इतना समझ में आ गया व्हाट इज टेम्परेरी हाउसेस के बारे में सब समझ में आ गया. ठीक है, होप आपको अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा. राइट, सो नाउ वी विल डिस्कस ऑन गुड थिंग्स अबाउट हाउसेस. व्हाट आर the requirements of a good house. ठीक है, so a good house have how many things? Now we will discuss a good house, about a good house. Okay, so let's see what is written in the book about the good houses, then we will discuss. We like to live in a good house. A good house has doors and windows to allow fresh air, sunlight to enter the rooms. The sunlight kills the germs. This is paragraph number 1. Once again I will read for you. We like to live in a good house. A good house has doors and windows to allow the fresh air, sunlight to enter the rooms. The sunlight kills germs. These are the quality of the good house. These are the quality of the good house. That good house always have proper doors and windows. A good house have always a good house. This is quality number 1. A good house always should have proper doors and windows. ठीक है, अब this question is in your mind that ma'am, why a good house need proper doors and windows? ठीक है, so the answer is that beta, if proper doors, windows and ventilation is there in a house, so fresh air will come inside the house and the bad air, that carbon dioxide will go out from that ventilations, and the sunlight is very very necessary to a house. Sunlight is very very necessary to a house. ठीक है, because sunlight kills all the germs. During winter, I will give you a small example so you can understand. During Diwali festival, what mama is doing when she is cleaning the house? What exactly mama is doing? So during Diwali festival, all the mamas are keeping all the things in the under the sunlight, है ना? All the bistar, all the blankets, ठीक है? All the rajais, all the pillows, all types of anaj, they all are keeping under the sunlight. Why? Because sunlight kills the germs. Sunlight kills the germs. So this is the quality of a good house, that a good house always should have proper doors and windows. Now, a good house has wire netting the door, windows to stop houses, flies and insects. वायर नेटिंग मतलब आप जिसको मच्छरों से बचाने की जो जाली हिंदी में बोलते हो ना, उसको बोलते हैं वायर नेटिंग. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? वायर नेटिंग. नेट से बनी हुई जाली हम सब अपने अपने घरों में लगाते हैं ताकि मच्छर, मक्खी, हाउस फ्लाई, बटरफ्लाई, हनी बी और टाइप्स ऑफ इंसेक्ट घर के अंदर नहीं आ पाए. एंड फ्रेश एयर विल ऑल्सो कम फ्रॉम दैट वायर नेट as well as sunlight also come from that opening nearby the ceiling of the house. Warm and polluted air rise up and goes out from the ventilation. Fresh air comes from the windows to take its place. Once again I will read for you. A good house has ventilation to allow fresh air to move inside a room. Ventilation means a small kind of window that always you can see by the ceiling. Ceiling के आसपास ही ventilation होता है. Ceiling मतलब छत और दीवार के बीच की प्लेस पर, सबसे ऊपर की साइड पे that ventilation is located, and ventilation is made to allow the fresh air inside. And अब fresh air तो बेटा सी during daytime तो we can open the door and we can allow fresh air to come inside, but during night time all the doors should be closed before go on the bed, है ना. सोने जाने के पहले सारे लोग जो होते हैं वो अपने घर के दरवाजे बंद करके सोते हैं. Nobody is go on the bed while opening the doors. No, nobody will go to the sleep while opening the doors. No one is doing like that, है ना. So before go on the bed, everybody should close the door of the house. Then how will fresh air will come inside? If we will close the door, if we will close the window, then how will the fresh air will come inside the house? So that is the reason a good house always have the ventilation, and that ventilation at the night time they will provide us the fresh air, and whatever carbon dioxide we all are releasing, that bad air will go out from that ventilation. ठीक है, उस ventilation से fresh air अंदर आती है और सोते समय जो भी हम कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिलीज करते हैं वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बाहर जाती है. ठीक है, so this is all about a good house. ठीक है, and we always need our house neat, clean and tidy, and always throw the garbage in the dustbin only. This is very common things. Usually nowadays everybody loves to need the neat, clean and tidy house, and we always throw the garbage in the dustbin only. Okay, so hope this is all about today's story. आज के लिए इतना काफी है. When we will meet in the next time, we will discuss something more. ठीक है, so till then, bye bye, have a nice day, God bless you, do take care of yourself, bye bye.